Meaning of direct tax.
Direct tax.
Direct tax.
Direct tax.
Direct tax. A direct tax is a type of tax that is imposed directly on individuals or entities, and cannot be transferred to another party. Examples of direct taxes include income tax, property tax, and estate tax. The result of direct taxation is that the burden of the tax falls directly on the taxpayer, and may vary depending on their income or property holdings. Direct taxes are typically used by governments to raise revenue for public goods and services, such as education, healthcare, and infrastructure.